What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix message notification not working issue on your Honor smartphone. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, click on now here click on apps option again and then scroll down and look for messages app. Open the messages app and then tap on force stop. Now from the pop-up again click on force stop to confirm, and after that the messages notification will start working properly. But if you are still facing the issue, then make sure you have turned off do not disturb mode. So to check that, open settings again, scroll down and tap on sound and vibration and then tap on do not disturb. Now here you will see a do not disturb button on the top, so tap on this button to turn it off. So when do not disturb is on, it will so you can see when this do not disturb feature is on, calls and notification will be silenced. So make sure to turn it off, and after that the messages notifications will start working properly. But if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is reset all settings. So for that, open settings. Now scroll down and here click on system and updates. Now in system and updates, click on reset and then click on reset all settings. Now here again click on reset all settings to confirm. So when you will click on reset all settings option here, it will reset all your mobile settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. And after doing this, the messages notification will 100% start working properly. So that's how you can fix messages notification not working issue on your Honor smartphone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.